Innovative closet design. Exploring modern closet design ideas. Important considerations when customizing your closet. Having a luxury walk-in closet is something many homeowners dream about. That said, while you want to create a space that inspires and delights you, it's good to think about safety tips for closet storage and organization. Closets with too many items weighing them down are at risk of collapsing. Consider what design concepts could make your closet more efficient. 8 modern design ideas to achieve the perfect closet. Number 1. Brown and beige toned cabinetry. If you're looking to achieve a more masculine or natural look for your closet, consider implementing brown or beige cabinetry. Having this design element in your walk-in closet can create a stylish transition between your bedroom or bathroom and closet space. Number 2. An island for beauty and storage. Not only are these excellent at breaking up the space, but they also provide convenient storage. Number 3. Dark cabinets with recessed lighting. Make your clothes stand out on the walls with dark cabinets and stunning recessed lighting. The recessed lighting will add brightness and beauty to an otherwise dark space. Number 4. White walls and cabinets with glass doors. Are you interested in creating a bright closet area? Painting the walls of your closet white could make the space appear larger and more open, especially if you decide to go with white cabinets and glass doors. Number 5. Built-in makeup vanity within the closet. Your closet could become your place of self-care, relaxation, and calmness if you make it your own. Number 6. Open shelving. Open shelving doesn't have to look messy. Having labeled or woven baskets is phenomenal at making the most of your space and adding a touch of style. If your shelves are higher up, you could simply make them a part of your minimalist design and add some flowers, vases, or books. Number 7. Elegant and plush seating. Give your closet a dressing room feel with plush seating in the center. You could also add accent seating, such as comfortable plush stools that look perfect with the rest of your closet space. It gives you a place to sit, gather your thoughts, and plan your next fantastic outfit. If you're tight on space, you could transform an awkward corner area into bench seating. You'll have some room to put on your socks and shoes and not have to take up a large portion of your closet. After all, having space is extremely valuable. Number 8. Bedroom and closet combo. Some homeowners may love the idea of having their closet directly in the same space as their bedroom. If this is you, you can create a comfortable seating area to relax and choose your outfit for the day. You won't have to walk far to find your clothes in a neat and organized way. Create the closet space of your dreams with FineCraft custom cabinetry. We hope that our 8 modern closet design ideas have inspired your creativity. You can schedule professional closet system installation with the best custom cabinetry business serving Sarasota and Tampa, Florida. Call 941-378-1901 to schedule a service consultation with FineCraft Custom Cabinetry and discuss how we can help make your closet dreams a reality with personalized cabinetry.